Hello everyone again. So in this video we are going to uh, see how we can add references and cite references using Mendeley, especially when we are writing our manuscript or working with our thesis. But before that, I want to add one more point. Most of the time, we have a lot of articles added to the Mendeley. As you can see, I have a lot of articles added in almost all the folders. So sometime when you are working with a different machine, I mean, at your home, you will have your personal computer, your laptop at your office or in the lab. You will have your computer over there. So uh, sometime you want to download the PDF file which is visible on the Mendeley. You can just click on it and it will be visible to you, but you sometimes you want to download it, especially in cases where you do not have the internet access or you do not have access to the article at your home. So if you want to download it, then just if you want to see the location of the file, then just right click on it and you can just click the open containing folder. So once you do that, then it should lead you to the folder where all of your uh, Mendeley articles are downloaded. So you can easily access your articles from there. Okay, so now coming back, coming back to the main topic. So if you want to cite an article, so just click um, insert citation over here, and you can just go to Mendeley and click the article that you want to cite. So once you click it, just click cite. Okay, so it should be added over here. Okay, if you want to add the bibliography, then insert bibliography and it should be added. Okay, so okay, let's go back. Insert bibliography and it is done. So we can just write references over here. Okay, so that is how you cite the article. If you want to cite more than one articles, then just go to edit citation and go to Mendeley. And if you want to cite articles more than one, then just click on it, and click on it. Just click on it, control, click the second one, and click the third one. So just by holding the control button on the keyboard, so control and second, third. So I can just click the cite and all the three will be uh, cited over here. So that is how we can do it. In order to change the reference style, you can do it from here, or you can just, if it is not listed over here, just go to more styles. In the more styles, if it is not mentioned in the installed, then click on the get more styles and you just write the style that you want to download, or the one that you want to use, or the journal that you are writing the manuscript for. For example, if you are writing it for nature, so just click on the nature and you can just click on it. In my case, it is already installed. Human nature. If you work with the biomaterials, so biomaterials install and whatever uh, style that you are working with. So that is done. But I have read some questions on ResearchGate where where someone want to what to do if someone want to remove the DOI from the references because it is aided by the Mendeley. And sometimes the professor, even my professor, asked me once that why this line is aided, please remove it. But because I'm using Mendeley, I was using Mendeley, I first didn't know how to do it, but then I figured it out. So what you can do is just click on the open Mendeley, and the style that we are using is this one, which is already selected. Right click on it and select edit style. It should lead you to another web page, the Visual CSL editor. And you need to wait it for some time because this web page takes a little bit of time to load. Okay, so once you are done with that, okay, still we have to wait for the web page to load completely. I think it's not completely done. Yep. Okay, so it's done right now. What you need to do is actually our purpose is to remove the DOI. So you can just directly click on the DOI over here. Okay, the DOI is selected. Click on the negative button over here, and it should be removed. It's already done. Okay, and if the URL was also visible, then you can just click on the else URL, and in this case there is no URL, but in some reference styles the URL, so you need to click the else if URL and then click the URL and then again click the negative button, the delete node over here, and it will be removed. So that is how you do it. Once you are done with that, then click Save Style As, and APA2, I will just save it. Okay. So the style is saved, and now the new selected is the new style that is selected was the one that I edited. So just go to the more styles, and this is the one which I just saved. Use this style, done, and the DOI is removed. So the same case is also for the URL. If the URL is present and you want to remove the URL, then you can follow the same steps by going to under the bibliography conditional, and there should be else if URL, and then you need to click on it and select the click the delete node. So that is how it is going to work. I hope this video helps you as well. I will be back with another video on how to add a DOI in if you need it, but the reference style that you are using it and the DOI. So I will be back with that video as well.